Hello students, in this video class we are going to discuss a Java program which will take an integer number from the user, check and display whether it is an automorphic number or not. Now what is automorphic number? Automorphic number is the number which is contained in the last digit or digits of its square. For example, 5, 25, 625. Listen, 5, why 5 is an automorphic number? See, if the number is 5, now what is the square of n? 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. So this number is present at the last of 25 or not. So 5 is an automorphic number. Okay. Now when n is equal to 25, so what is the square of 25? 625. Yes or no? So 25 is present at the last of 625 or not. So 25 is an automorphic number. Clear? Okay. Similarly, when n is equal to 625. So 625 into 625, what is the value? Let me check in my calculator. 625 into 625. It is 390625. Okay. The square of 625 is 390625. See, 625 is present at the last of 390, 625. Yes or no? Okay. So 625 is also an automorphic number. 625 is also an automorphic number. Now, it means that we have to take the number from the user and find the square. But the question arises, in this case, we have to extract only the last digit of 25. In this case, we have to extract two digits, last two digits of 625. And in this case, we have to extract last three digits of the square. Yes or no? Here, in this number, when the number is 5, number of digits is equal to 1. So can I write 25 modulus 10 to the power number of digit? Because here number of digit of that number. So 25 modulus 10 to the power number of digits in 5, only 1. So it means 25 modulus 10 only. So we can extract 5. Yes or no? Now if it is the case of 625. So 625 modulus 10 to the power number of digit. Number of digits of which number? Of the entered number. The entered number is 25. How many digits are there? 2. So it means 625 modulus 10 to the power 2. It means 625 modulus 100. So 625 modulus 100 means it will extract the last two digits. Yes or no? 106 are 600. See, we have got 25. Okay. If it is the case of this 625, so what is the square of 625? 390625 modulus 10 to the power number of digit. What is the number of digit in 625? It is 3. So that is equal to 390. It is 0. 390625 modulus 10 to the power number of digit. Number of digits in 625 is 3. Yes or no? It is 3. It means 390625 modulus 1000. Okay. You can check 390625 modulus 1000. The last three digits will be extracted. Okay. See, 1000 into suppose 3. So it is 3000. Okay. 90625. 1000 into 9, 9000. Okay, so it is 625. Okay, so we got 625 as the remainder. Clear or not? So in this program, we have to count the number of digits of the entered number. Okay, so what is the way? Listen. Yes, listen. If, just a second, int n is equal to, we will take the number from the user, int n is equal to scn dot next int. Okay, then we will take n copy is equal to n. Then we will take NOD, number of digit is equal to 0, and we will take square also, SQ. Int SQ square of n is equal to what? N into n. You can also write n copy into n. Clear? Now, int last digits, LD means last digits, is equal to, but in order to extract the last digits, we should know the number of digits of the number. So we will not write this line now. Okay, first of all we will use while loop. While n copy is greater than 0. So NOD, this variable, NOD plus plus, and n copy is equal to n copy divided by 10. Okay, suppose if the user has given 25, listen, n is equal to 25. What is the other variable? N copy. The other variable is n copy is equal to n, means 25 only. Then NOD, what is the value of NOD? It is 0. Then what is the value of square? N into n. N into n means 25 into 25, 625. Okay, and then n copy greater than 0. What is the condition? N copy greater than 0. So what is n copy? It is 25. 25 is greater than 0. Yes, it is greater than 0. If it is true, the control will go within the body of while loop. NOD plus plus. What is NOD plus plus? It is 1. Then n copy divided by 10. We all know that when an integer number gets divided by 10, the last digit is removed. So n copy 25 will become 2. Then the control will go to the testing expression to check whether the current value of n copy is greater than 0 or not. So what is the current value of n copy? It is 2. So 2 is greater than 0. Yes, it's true. If it is true, so the control will again go into the body of the loop and it will increase NOD plus plus, NOD by 1. So it will become 2. N copy is equal to n copy divided by 10. So 2 divided by 10 means what? 2 divided by 10, 2 zeros are 0, remainder 2. So we will get 0 here. Okay, then the control will go to the testing expression to check whether the current value of n copy is greater than 0 or not. So what is the current value of n copy? 0. 0 is greater than 0? No, it is false. It is false. If it is false, the control will come out of the loop. Okay, now we have number of digits is equal to 2. Okay, this is what we needed. Yes or no? Now here we will write int last digits, okay, or digit is equal to square modulus typecasting int math dot pow what 10 comma number of digit, 10 comma number of digit. Okay, and here we will check if the last digit, last extracted digit is equal to n, is equal to n, system.out.println, it is automorphic. It is an automorphic number. It is an automorphic number. Okay, it is an automorphic number. It is an automorphic number. Else system.out.println, it is not an automorphic number. 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 Okay, clear? Now listen, after this, till here we have performed the dry run. Okay, now LD is equal to square. What is square? 625. Yes or no? What is square? 625. Yes. What is the value of square? It is 625. Okay, so 625 modulus math.power 10 comma NOD means 10 to the power NOD. What is NOD? It is 2. It is 2. So 10 to the power 2. It means 625 modulus 10 to the power 2 means what? 625 modulus 100. and 625 modulus 100 means 100 6 are 600. What is the remainder? The remainder is 25. So 25 will come in LD variable. Which variable? LD. So LD will hold what? 25. Here we are checking LD. What is the value of LD? 25. And what is the value of N? It is 25. So 25 is equal to 25. It is true. If it is true, the else part will be ignored. And if part will be executed, it is an automorphic. Okay. So this is how we can check whether an integer number is an automorphic number or not. Okay. Listen. Where is Blue Jay? Yes. Create a new class. Okay. Control A, backspace, listen. import import java.util.scanner scanner public public class automorphic automorphic number checker checker or tester. You can write public static static void main capital string string array space args. Now within the body of main method, let me create the object of scanner. Scanner scn is equal to new scanner, and here I will write system.in system.in. Then let me display a message system.out.println system.out.println what? Enter an integer number. Enter an integer number. Okay. Int num is equal to scanner object dot next int. Then int num copy is equal to num int square sq is equal to num into num. Okay, you can also write what typecasting in math.power num comma 2. Okay, then I need a variable which will store the number of digits is equal to 0. Okay, now let me use a while loop. Okay, what is the purpose of this while loop? It will count, it will help in counting the number of digits of the entered number. Okay, see, while num copy is greater than 0, number of digit plus plus, and what is the updation expression? Num copy is equal to num copy divided by 10. So what is happening? The last digit is getting removed after each iteration. Okay, now let me check whether I have perfectly applied the logic or not. System.out.println nod, yes, nod. So it will give me the number of digits. Now let me check. See, 58974. Num block is there. 58974. Yes. How many digits are there? 5 digits are there. It is showing 5. So the code is correct. Okay. So let me remove this. Yes. Now what I will do, I will write here last digit. Int last digit is equal to what? Int last digit is equal to square modulus typecasting int math.pow 10 to the power what? 10 to the power number of digit. 10 to the power number of digit, and here I will check if last digit, last extracted digit or digits is equal to that number. We will print system.out.println it is an automorphic number. Automorphic number. It is an automorphic number. Okay, else system.out.println it is not an automorphic number. automorphic automorphic number. It is not an automorphic number. Okay, control shift I, control K, no syntax error. Now let me check. See, 5, so it is an automorphic number. Okay, 25, it is an automorphic number. 625, it is no, sorry, I have written 325, sorry. Let me write 625. Yes, it is an automorphic number. Okay. Then let me write 7. So 7 is not an automorphic number. Why? Because 7 sevens are 49. So the last digit of 49 is 9, which is not equal to 7. So 7 is not an automorphic number. Clear? Okay. So take the screenshot of this. Okay. Take it fast. Take the screenshot of this. And take the screenshot of this. So practice this program, try to perform a dry run yourself by taking any integer number of your choice. Okay. So thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye. Take care.